There you go, good. Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie, taking off on runway 22, staying in the pattern.
Yeah, I was weird it randomly turned off on you like that.
I might not have had it recording, honestly. Oh, that's right, I forgot Uniform Charlie only has one. So anyways, 10 degrees of flap, minimum braking. Minimum braking.
Claremont Sky 7840 Alpha, entering the downwind for runway 22, Claremont.
Alright, I got eyes on 40 Alpha, no factor at all on our crosswind. Go and just hold it right about there, you go, that's looking good right there. And when she's ready, she'll sing you the song of her people. There we go. We're off, and we'll go and capture that ground effect, my man.
Now when they go, go ahead and go.
Yeah.
Claremont County traffic, Sky 7840 Alpha, left base for runway 22, Claremont.
Oh, I see why. Idiot. Positive rate of climb.
Alright. And since we're slow, we'll go ahead and just work those flaps out.
Yeah. Slowly.
Claremont County traffic, Sky 7840 Alpha, final for runway 22, Claremont.
That should be it. That's good.
Claremont traffic, helicopter 54 Alpha Echo is 6 miles to the west, 2,000 feet southeastbound. Claremont.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie, turning crosswind, runway 22. So I need to watch this because I had it at 10 degrees, and even though I had it at 10 degrees, this was like all the way like down to 15.
Okay, yeah, that probably makes sense why I
But on top of that, I didn't have it the mixture pushed in. So runways in sight. Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie, turning downwind, runway 22.
Claremont County traffic, Sky 7840 Alpha, clear runway 22, Claremont.
Claremont County 21350, departing runway 22, Claremont County.
There's a little bit of bumps I was looking for. Soft or short again?
Let's do another short.
Alright, we're gonna keep an eye on him. He's doing a short field takeoff as well. Under 110, first notch of flaps. Yeah, see. That's about 10 degrees there. And if you push it all the way down to where it looks like the notch is. Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie, turning base runway 22. 20 degrees of flaps, 75. A little bit of trim. Little bit of trim to stabilize.
Oh, I love it.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie, we're turning final runway 22. Alright. Full flaps, we're at 1300 RPM right now, just to lose some altitude.
Traffic not available.
Claremont County 21350, turning crosswind runway 22, Claremont County.
That altitude. go. Goes down to 62. Power out, nose up for out, or no, pitch up. Speed, sinking, power in, stop the sink.
Claremont County, 21350, downwind, runway 22, Claremont County.
Nice. Go.
Center, full brake, nose all the way back.
There you go. Good shit, dude. Right in the middle of that commercial box. That was good.
Stop it. Stop it. Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie, rolling clear 22.
County traffic, Skyhawk 784 Sierra Alpha, departing runway 22, staying in the pattern, Claremont.
Left, right, center. Good.
Claremont traffic, helicopter 54 Alpha Echo, we are clear to the south 1,800, southeast bound, last call, Claremont.
See ya.
See ya. They'll be out. Just kidding.
Now, so Oshkosh is this week. It looks like
They've already had 2 crashes.
Have they really? Any gear up landings?
No, I haven't seen any gear ups yet. They've already had 2. One with 3 fatality.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No kidding.
I can't remember what plane it was, but apparently the plane is notoriously hard to fly at low speeds. They were coming in on an 80 knot final, which is apparently slow for that plane. And they just lost, they spun and lost it.
Oh, no.
Fortunately. Gotta know the limitations of your plane. If my plane's gonna be hard to fly at slow speeds, you know what I'm doing?
Getting a different one?
No, I'm gonna fly it at not slow speeds.
Oh, well, that too, yeah.
To give you the short end of the
Claremont
field,
County, 21350, turning base, runway 22, Claremont County.
I think that's a lot of, like, almost all the problems at Oshkosh always end up like
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 784 Sierra Alpha, left cross 1 runway 22, Claremont.
pilots being afraid to speak up. All right, what are we doing? Short or let's do another short. I want to do another short. This time I want to make sure that the flaps are not.
Oh, soft field?
Yeah, soft field, yeah.
Gotcha.
Because I had it here before, so we were almost at 20 degrees of flaps.
Yeah, I think that definitely would have helped you.
Claremont County, 21350, turning, or final approach, runway 22, Claremont County.
Pictures all the way.
Claremont County, Skyhawk 784 Sierra Alpha, left downwind runway 22, Claremont.
And we'll just settle that at 1,000.
Keep the battery charging. Oh, there they are. All right, let's head over to CVG now. I need to pick up my vest and bump cap from work before I go up to Kiln. So we'll head up there, hit the FBO, and I'll walk over, get my... I'm just kidding.
I was going to say, I'm down.
Yeah, but I don't know if we have time.
Shit, I'll extend the res out.
Yeah, but you have a...
I have a 12 o'clock. Shit.
You have a 12 o'clock. I saw that this plane wasn't taken.
Damn, I'd be fine with that. Damn, if I didn't have a 12 o'clock, I'd go into the FBO right now and be like, Julie, can I get the res extended, please?
Get out of here. Shoot. Got time?
Oh, yeah, we got time.
All right. Call it? Can we call it? Can we call it? Can we call it? Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Claremont County, 21350, clear runway 22, Claremont County.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, Uniform Charlie is rolling, taking off runway 22. Claremont County traffic. All right, so.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 784 Sierra Alpha, left base runway 22, Claremont.
A little bit of braking, a little bit of braking. Only when the nose is up this high, it doesn't want to turn.
Yeah.
There she goes.
There you
go. A lot of right rudder.
Claremont County traffic, Star 74 Sierra Alpha, final for runway 22, come on.
Looking good. It'll come off right there. Just hold that. That's looking beautiful. There you go. And get that nose down now. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, there's the speed picking up now. Nice.
Yeah, I think it was mostly the flaps.
Flaps will definitely do that.
Get that nose down.
I was going to say, one little suggestion I got for you, when I teach my students soft fields, do about 2 swipes of nose up trim before you even set off. It'll help you out.
Especially with that, when you get the airspeed and you pop up.
Oh yeah, it'll help capture that easier.
Claremont County 74 Sierra Alpha is rolling full for runway 22, come on.
Positive ready to climb. Work this out. Is it 2 swipes of trim? 2 full swipes or half swipes?
About 2, yeah, you can kind of experiment a little bit, but I usually just do about 2 half swipes.
Claremont County traffic, TAC 121, uniform Charlie, turn in, crosswind, runway 22. Whee!
Claremont County traffic, Sky 74 Sierra Alpha, clear runway 22, Claremont.
Get a little bit of trim back in there. That roll running in. Coming up on 1800, push that nose down. That airspeed up. More trim.
Score you up. 684, you up. 684 is up. And we got you guys inside. We'll go ahead and possibly we're going to go ahead and just do a left 180 so we get out of you guys' way.
Sierra Alpha, did you call clear of 22?
Yep, we called clear. We are clear.
Here. Claremont County 21350, departing runway 22, staying in the pattern, Claremont County.
Alright, what do you want to do next?
Let's get a soft field in.
Soft field. Start pulling the power out, get it, keep us under 110. Beam the numbers, first notch of flaps. $1,500, 85, a bit of trim. Claremont County traffic, Sky 124 uniform Charlie, turn in base runway 22. 75, second notch of flaps. Hold her around 1500. Everything looks good. That roll coming. Nose up a little bit. 75. Roll coming. Claremont County traffic, Sky 121 uniform Charlie, final runway 22. Last notch of flaps. 65. Going for soft field. Normal, delicate landing. Nose up, get us down to 65. Now we're on final. Power out, we're a little high. Down a little bit.
Claremont County 21350, turning crosswind, runway 22, Claremont County.
Losing altitude, add a little power in, keep the nose down for 65. Start made, the runway. Eyes to the end. Pull back. 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 Nose up. Aerodynamic braking.
Claremont County, 21350, downwind, runway 22, Claremont County.
That was good.
Apply braking so we can get off.
Traffic not available.
Claremont County traffic, Scott 121 Uniform Charlie, roll and clear 22. Do any of your students like talk themselves through it?
You're the first one that actually talked yourself saying, hey, eyes out the end of the runway. That's the first time I've ever had anyone do that, so actually I got goosebumps for that. I love it. Oh, it's like ecstasy. No, I've had people have me, I've had them do that when I've asked them to, but never someone that actually walked themselves through it.
For me, I don't know, I feel like it's easier for me to like remember, it's like a mental checklist, I guess.
Oh yeah, it's also like if you're wanting to do CFI, that's a great practice to do, even before you even start CFI training.
Yeah. When we start, well, I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I was going to say at some point I need to start practicing flying the right seat too.
Oh yeah.
Don't want to do it during. I don't want to do it during high performance complex. I got enough.
I was gonna say maybe during Com 4, I'm down to do that with you one or two times.
Yeah. Just to get a taste.
Just to get a taste for it. Might maybe we'll go down to like Fleming Mason or something with a little bit of a wider runway for us. We'll park it. We'll do a Chinese fire drill.
Claremont County, 21350, turning base, runway 22, Claremont County.
Traffic in sight. All right, what do we want to do now?
That is dealer's choice, my man. Everything I've seen so far is really, really, really solid. So at this point, it's just whatever you want to do.
I'm gonna go ahead and do another short.
Okay. And then we'll just.
Or soft. I'm sorry, soft field.
You're good. Oh yeah, with the trim, yeah. Let's
Claremont County, 21350, final approach, runway 22, Claremont County.
Exactly. When we're practicing landings like this, I need to do I need a tail camera so I can look at my wheels on the outside to see what I'm doing.
Oh, that'd be fun. Yeah, that'd be actually really cool.
The only problem is that these batteries only last like 2 hours. So like I need to like do it, hop in the plane and go.
Right. Oh, I get that. Yeah.
2 hours on 2K. If I put it on 1.8, honestly, I could put it on 1080 and it would last like 4 hours, but. Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Flat. Oh, there you go. Pull it back, boy.
Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop.
You and me the other day, they were up there, and I was talking trash about like not knowing the GPS or whatever, and he's like, "Well, you tell me how to do this." I was like, "Hey, I only talk trash when I."
Claremont County, 21350, clear runway 22, Claremont County.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, uniform Charlie, taking off runway 22, staying in that pattern.
God, you sound like me. Staying in that pattern.
All the way over. Have to put braking.
Yeah, and if you want to, you can cut that a little sooner too. You don't have to maintain center line on a soft field turn. Yep, there you go.
Right there. Come on, baby.
There we go. Once that stall horn gets going, you know it's good. There we go.
Put her down. Put that nose down. 74. 73 and up. Positive, ready to climb. Work out those flaps. Work out the flaps. Oh yeah, that trim helps a ton.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, nice. Beautiful. That rudder in there for that power. Heading. Hundred. San Rakai, traffic talk 121 uniform Charlie, turn in base crosswind, runway 22. That nose up, that turn coming in. 1800, slow it down. Airspeed up, hold it, trim a little bit. Got my guide towers in sight. We'll power out just a tad bit. Down. Much.
Claremont County 21350, departing runway 22, staying in the pattern. Claremont County.
Got it. Sight. Probably like he's practicing shorts and soft, be like, hey, you want to see who can land shorter? And then put it in the grass.
I've seen someone land in the grass before. There was like a tail dragger. He was like, would anyone have any issues if I land in the grass threshold? Like, nah, that'd actually be kind of cool. And he did.
Why would you do that?
He had the plane for it. It was one of those ones you can put it anywhere.
Under 110. First notch of flat.
City Regional Traffic, Arch 684, Juliet Alpha, 7 miles to the southeast, planning center left downwind for runway 25, City Regional.
5, second notch of flaps. Clear Rockeye traffic, stock 121 uniform Charlie, turn in base, runway 22. Put the power back in. Trim back. That turn coming in. I'm going to try to do a short field.
Alright, sounds good, my man.
Since that's the one I'm worried most about.
And let's do a 50-foot obstacle at the
I
fence
agree.
there.
Yeah, the last time I came in was a little low. That's such flaps. Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk, 121 uniform Charlie, clear, final runway 22. Not clear, runway 22. Oh, Lord.
Claremont County 21350, turning crosswind, runway 22, Claremont County.
Alright, and you can start working that power out a little bit.
We're a little high. That's fine. 50-foot obstacles, the fence line?
Yep, at that fence line or the closest row of cones to us.
Right.
Yep, so you're just looking to cross it at like 900. Or just slightly above.
Claremont County 21350, downwind, runway 22, Claremont County.
Oh yeah, you're looking good here.
Cross 900. Whoa. Power out.
And just keep pulling back a little bit more, and boom. And
Traffic not available.
There you go. Nice. There you go. And then you can add that brake in. Good shit.
Ooh. Nice.
That was your best one.
That was. I would agree. Left or right?
Honestly, I'm very happy with everything, so that's up to you.
Go left.
We'll call it 4 landings for the day, my man.
Woohoo!
And shit, we can just put it back where we got it, or... yeah, we can just put it back. No one's fired up yet.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 121, uniform Charlie, clear runway 22. Out. Up. So one thing I gotta keep in mind though, when I do that trim, don't let the pull so hard. Yep. There. Don't overpull is what I should say.
Yeah, don't have to go all the way back. Maybe like 2/3, hell, half of it.
Yeah, I was like, oh well, if we have that extra trim in there, then I'm gonna need a little bit extra pullback. And then I was like thinking about it, I was like, we don't have any airspeed. Why would I need extra pullback?
I was gonna say, yeah.
Trim's not effective.
It happens.
Claremont County 21350, turning base, runway 22, Claremont County.